Hello everyone, welcome back with Tommy from Trading Spartan Indonesia. And right now I want to share with you what will happen into the this week, or you can see that everything happens last week or last 2 weeks because of uncertainty in this economic world, and we know that's because solely of the Trump tariffs and everything related to it, like retaliation from China, like the negotiation from the Eurozone and everything. Every country needs to defend itself or himself before they think of what's the further reaction or how to negotiate and everything. And that makes me wonder that the market will react so impulsively. The chart or everything that reflected into the chart or graphic that you see is too much volatile. There is a lot of spike everywhere, random and everything. That of course makes you feel uh, tiring, and then so much uncertainty, changing in the trend and everything. That's why I avoid trading in a short period or small time frame. Like you trade in intraday, so it less than a day. It could be 1 day or maybe 12 hours. And of course, the people who trade scalping or less than a day, like minutes or hours, that's not bad. The people that love spontaneous, love to seeing the chart the whole day, stick into their seat, it's okay. But for me, I think the trading is more into the investment action, like seeing the further, seeing the future, and you need not to hassle. You can avoid a lot of unnecessary action or everything like that. You understand from what I told you in the last week or last month. And right now, I want to share to you my setup from this weekend for the week ahead, like 14 until 18 April. And if usually I only share one setup, like only buy this preferable pair. But right now, I will share to you two pairs. One for buying setups or uptrend, and then the second one selling setup or downtrend. So this one will help you. So I will start from this one. So this is the GBP Australian dollar downtrend. You can see the big picture from it. So this is the, like I said, anomaly in the market. The price or the trend actually it goes upward since 12 March until now. But because of the last 1 week or 2 weeks happen something we call uncertainty in the market, and the price or fundamental change the way or change the trend, price pattern or price action. You can see that the price is goes up, but after some volatility in the market, the price goes down sharply and then goes up again and makes the double top. Actually, I'm not of the technical analysis, but it makes me wonder that the price is now is on the declining or downtrend. If you see the trend is bigger than a week, might be you see that the trend is still up. But if you see a medium term like me, the trend is already going down or downtrend. And if you see the closer or zoom the trend, you see that the price goes down even more obvious. So if last week or last 2 week I sent you there is a four zones or area like bargain, cheap, normal, and avoid. Right now I want to simplify it and only give three colors like traffic light colors. So you can see red, yellow, and green. Because this is the setting up of cell, of course, for the green one, you see it's a better zone to enter. And yellow is a normal or medium, and the red one, it's better to stay away or avoid. And on the right side, you see that there is a level that I give you suggestion or recommendation to get in or jump off of the market. So start from this one. If you want to sell, the theory is when you get the price higher than the current price, it's better for you because it's cheaper, but it's from the contrary side of looking. So I see the level of 2.09778 is the first level or the best level if you want to enter or symbolize in green zone or green area. If you only have the chance of make only one position, better you set your sell limit or pending order around this area, or it could be lower or higher a bit is okay. And then the next level is 2.07807. So if you have privilege to open more than one, like two positions, I suggest you to open in this level and then in this level. Why? Because it's still worth to try. It's still best use of your capital. But if you want to see the next level, which symbolize in red color, it's good. It still follow the trend, but the risk reward ratio is not that worth. So if you enter into the green zone, you can see that your risk reward is your loss part is only one, but your profit part I extend in until the second profit. Your loss only one part, but your profit will be 1, 2, 3. If you see that risk reward ratio, you have the paid of size of the bait is one, but you get the reward three times of the bait you have, I think it's a good or smart move. Even if you aim the second profit 1 to 4 or 1 compared to 4, it's a very good, and I think it's a very best use of your capital. And once again, you can open only one, you can open two and everything. So if you have to open like I think the price right now in 2.08 and something, but I do not think the price will touch 2.09 and something. What did you do? You can open somewhere between this zone is also okay. So let me sum up for you. The GBP AUD, its sell is preferable because it's downtrend, and this is the level you can take a screenshot or capture for your guidance for the next week, for this week. And this one is Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen is at the contrary from the GBP Australian dollar. It's more into the sideways or consolidation, but right now starting goes up. You can see start from 27 September until now, it's like a 6 months in time period. You can see that the price is sideways or consolidation. The up and down or highest and lowest point, it's not so big compared to GBP Australian dollar. You can see that it mixed top and bottom and something, but the underline, you can see that there is a dynamic resistance or dynamic support, and you can see this is a triple bottom and the price starting to gain its momentum up. And if you can see the correction or retracement again, I do not say reversal, it's a good Quasimodo pattern, and the price I believe will goes up after this. So the recommended position, of course, buy is preferable rather than sell because it's uptrend. It could be different for you. You could be downtrend or sell, but right now I am uptrend. But the most important thing is not about reading the, how can I say, buy or sell solely one strategy. But you need something more important than that, because you are not relying your trading result or account only in this 1 week, but like a 1 quarter or 1 year. And you can see that price action, it's not can stand alone, but you need to combine or mix with money management and risk reward ratio. So if you see the green color in 160.943, and then the yellow in 162.960, and the red one is 164.978. And if you apply one position, set the pending order or buy limit within near this area or this zone, because you will get the projection as good as this. You will only suffer one part of loss, but you will get 1, 2, 3, even 4 part of profits if the price goes or against go along with your gain or profit. And then this is it's applicable or eligible for 1 week, 14 until 18 April. So this is the way I share to you the opportunity. This is the way we can see the market from the higher eye level. And I hope it helps you to understand the market not only by one single moment or one single movement, but from the bigger seeing eye level. Thank you so much. And if you have another pair or another idea or another strategy, let me know. I will make it up for you and hope we can trade less but profit more. See you.